Good afternoon, 7th grade, and welcome back to class today. I'm so happy to see all your smiling faces. So just to get right into it, we are going to be talking about the different breeds of livestock. So, I know yesterday we kind of familiarized ourselves with them, by talking about the generic ones. So now we're going to go into deep detail about each one of them. And so your class objectives today will be how to differentiate between the different breeds of equine, sheep, goat, beef, and dairy cattle by using a PowerPoint with 100% accuracy. Oh, hey hun, can we please take a seat? I'm happy that, you want to be energetic and you're just really excited today, but, maybe being in our seat would be the best option. Thank you. And also, just a reminder, ladies and gentlemen, during our activities, we keep our listening ears on and our mouths shut. That way we can be respectful to our neighbors and respectful to me. Just, keep that reminder out there. But thank you. You all are doing a wonderful job. So to continue on, our next objective will be to name at least 3 different breeds of livestock species with 100% accuracy without using the PowerPoint. So that might be a hint that you might want to pay attention because there could be a little bit of a review later on. And finally, you will all be able to identify the scientific names of horses, sheep, swine, goat, beef, and dairy cattle with 100% accuracy without using your notes. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, please be aware that you need to pay attention and know that there possibly, wink wink, will be an exam, or not an exam, but just a little bit of review, maybe a fun quiz game, you never know, later on. Yes, student in the back. But Miss Furman, why is this important to know the different breeds of livestock? Like, I don't think I care. Well, first of all, I think you should care. So knowing the different breeds of livestock, it'll help you when you go to the grocery store. So let's say you're gonna go look at meat, right? You're not gonna walk up to the meat section and look at a chicken breast and be like, I think this comes from a cow. Or whenever you see, hide is really popular nowadays, you wouldn't be able to walk up and be like, is this fake or is this real? Like, you'll know the difference. But thank you for your question. I really do appreciate that. So, to begin, we will start with beef cattle and know that the scientific name of beef cattle is bovine. And so here we have a Black Angus heifer, a Shorthorn Plus heifer, and a Hereford heifer. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, just another reminder, we need to be respectful to everyone. So again, listening ears need to be on and mouths need to be closed. All right? Thank you. Thank you all so much. So the place of origin for a Black Angus heifer, actually, let's just pause for a minute. Why would knowing the place of origin be useful? Yes, yes. Well, Miss Furman, the place of origin would be important because, like the world is a lot of different temperatures and there's different people that live all around it. And so maybe the animal kind of corresponds with that region. And if you think about the equator, this on longitude, they're basically the same temperature and that can make a difference. Yes. Awesome. That was a wonderful answer. Thank you. Thank you for participating and being involved. Yes. So the place of origin is important because, as your fellow student said, different places on the globe have similar temperatures, they're able to produce the same crops. So knowing where animals come from, you can tell a lot about that region. So let's take goats, for example. Goats are very hardy animals and they can stand a lot of heat. They can eat pretty much about anything. So that's why a lot of goats are from Africa. Because unfortunately, that country does not have a lot of money to spend in its livestock, and so they mass-produce goats because they're easy to grow over there. They have a high heat resilience, and they I've never had goat personally, but I assume they're pretty tasty. So yes, thank you so much for your question, and we will move on.